If you're as crazy with Astrobot as much as my family is, then you're gonna love these custom Astrobot stickers I made with Cricut. I'm going to show you my foolproof method to turn any of your favorite gaming characters, such as Astrobot here, into a perfectly designed Cricut Joy Xtra stickers. And it's so easy to make, even my sleep-deprived, coffee-powered brain could do it. First, I snapped some cool in-game photos of Astrobot in all of his outfits. Then, I exported it from PS5 to my external drive. For a written step-by-step guide, click the link in the description below. I uploaded them to Canva on a page with 2000 by 2000 pixels in dimension. I then used Magic Grab to cut out Astrobot like a pro. No Photoshop degree required. Go to canva.com, click Create a Design, choose Custom Size and create a page with 2000 by 2000 pixels in dimensions. Then, click Create New Design. You are now directed to the first page in your canvas. Go to the left-hand side and click Uploads. Click Upload Files button. Navigate to your external drive and select all the images of your characters. Click Open to upload all your images to Canva. This can take some time if you are uploading large file sizes. During this process, you'll see a progress orb where the upload icon was. Once everything is uploaded, you can start designing. Click an image and it will be displayed on your page. Go to Edit on the toolbar above. Magic Studio is going to pop up on the left-hand side. You must have a premium subscription to use this feature in Canva. Now click Magic Grab. On the Magic Grab feature, hover on the item you wanted to grab from the image, then you will notice that the outline is highlighted. Click the Grab button. Wait as the AI does its magic. Now your character is separated and you can delete the background image. I placed each Astrobot on a soft background, resized them, and kept going until I had the whole wardrobe collection. You can choose to add any background for your stickers by going to Elements and typing the keywords of your background at the search field. You can browse the results from the Graphics, Photos, or the other tabs. For my stickers, I have decided to add a soft gradient blue background. Go to Position and Layers tab to move the background behind your main image. Now, resize your designs by dragging one corner of your graphics. Place your image in the center of the canvas by going to Position, Arrange, and clicking Center and Middle. Now, you can repeat the process by clicking Add Page and clicking at the next image. You can also duplicate a page so you already have the background in place and you can just edit the main image. Again, go to Edit to show the Magic Grab. You have an option to choose the brush or click to select your item. Usually, if the highlight doesn't cover the entire item that you want, you need to choose the Brush button and manually choose by highlighting the item, then click Grab. Now drag a corner of the image to resize it. Place your image in the middle by going to Position, Arrange, and click Center and Middle. Repeat the process until you have the whole wardrobe collection. I exported everything as PNG with no background. Click the Share button at the top right-hand side of Canva. Click Download. Click the transparent background. Select all the pages that you want, then click the Download button. Take note where the files have been saved. I imported them back into Canva, but this time it's on an A4 sized page to create my sticker sheet. Click Create a Design, click 21 by 29.7 cm as your page dimensions, and you will be directed to your new page. Click Uploads, click Upload Files, and navigate to where you saved all the PNG files that you have previously exported. Select all the files and click Open to upload all the files into Canva. At first, I chose a cool space theme grid as a background, but then I changed it into cute heart patterns because, well, love is in the air. Go to Elements and type in the search bar the keywords that you want for your background. Browse the results and choose the graphics that you like. Align the individual graphics into your sheets. Leave enough space for outlines or borders for the stickers. Align each row of your graphics by going to Position, Arrange tab, and clicking the Tidy Up button. Repeat the process for the rest of the rows of your graphics. Manually move your graphics if you need more spaces, and then do the tidy up process again. Since it's the love month, I changed my background to a Valentine's theme design. I also added some text and more cute little hearts on the top. When I'm happy with the design, I exported them as PNG. Go to the Share button, click Download, and choose the page number of the complete sticker sheet. Click Done and click Download. As you can see, I have first downloaded the full sticker sheet. I then duplicated the design, but I deleted the background. I repeated the downloading process here to export just the graphics, that is, without the background. I will explain later why I needed to do this. So, the sticker graphics without a background would look like this. I duplicated the design once more, but this time I only used the background. I thought of adding a grid in the design of the background, as you can see here. I lowered the transparency and moved the grid layer below the hearts design. I went through the downloading process again to export the current page, which is just the hearts and the grid background. I will also show later why I needed to separate the background and the sticker designs themselves. And here is what the background would look like after exporting from Canva. Now it's time for us to move to Cricut Design Space. First, I'm going to show you what will happen if you upload the entire image as one file into the Cricut Design Space. Open Cricut Design Space and click New Project. Click Blank Canvas to open up a new canvas. Now go to the Upload tool on the left-hand side, click Upload Image, then browse or drag and drop the full sticker sheet image that we exported from Canva. Click Continue and check the preview before clicking Apply and Continue. I don't have Cricut Access subscription, so I cannot use the multiple layers feature. As a free user, I can only use the flat graphic, which is where the problem starts. Don't worry, I will show you a workaround later. After I click Continue and Upload, the image is now available in my canvas. As a guide for an A4 sheet, I uploaded a border template. I have resized my border template according to the A4 dimension, which is 21 by 29.7 centimeters. And then I position the border template to 00 coordinate. I changed the operation of the border image into a guide so it doesn't get printed out. I resized the full sticker image so it can fit inside the inner border lines. Afterwards, I moved the border template layer below the sticker design layer. Now this is the problem when you upload and use a single file onto the Cricut Design Space.
When you try and add the offset to the individual stickers, it wouldn't work. The offset will be applied to the sides of the sheet and not to the individual graphics in the sheet. There is a feature to create sticker here, but you need a paid subscription to Cricut Access to use it. But I have found a workaround on this problem, and that is by importing the sticker design and the background into Cricut Design Space separately.
So on the Cricut Design Space, here is the background and the sticker design. Now choosing the sticker sheet, I have added a 0.15 offset. As you can see, the offset is around each of the individual stickers. Now I have changed this to white colored linings. Now making sure you're choosing the sticker sheet and the offset, choose flatten. Now you can move this flattened design on top of the background. Now adjust the locations of the designs. Choose the attach button or function at the bottom when you're happy with it. Now I have seen that this method actually works because I have performed a test cut using a cardboard stock. Now you can move to the next stage by pressing Make It. Now it's time for us to print our designs on a sticker paper. Make sure that you have the correct material and dimension of your sheets.
Wait for the Cricut Joy Xtra to be connected and then click the Send to Printer button. Click next on the pop-up window. Here, you can see that the Cricut Design Space is already connected to my HP printer. I don't need to add bleed, so I disabled it. I've enabled the Use System dialog and then hit Print.
Okay, a printer settings window should pop up at this stage. If you don't see the window, it's probably behind the Cricut Design Space. I've seen this happen before.
This is where you can configure your inkjet printer. Make sure to choose the high quality settings and photo glossy paper. Click Print.
And I can see my printer is working already and running at the back. Alright, so let's just wait for the Cricut Design Space to give us some cues on what the next process is. Alright, so my printer is waiting for the sticker paper. Let me just go load it. Let's just wait for the sticker to be printed. Here is my Astro sticker paper. Let's let it sit for some time.
After printing, verify the printed quality and then hit Done.
And now we're moving on to the next stage, which is choosing the sticker paper material to cut. Going back to the Cricut Design Space, make sure to choose the printable waterproof sticker set from the list of the materials, and then choose the default cutting force.
I am using the printable waterproof sticker set, which is already bookmarked. This material option includes the printable sticker paper plus a transparent vinyl. You can choose other materials by clicking Browse All Materials and add other materials to your bookmarked items. Here is the printable waterproof sticker set. Let's click that and hit Done. You can go to the cutting force details by clicking the material settings. Here, you can verify and configure the cutting force needed for the materials you are going to use. Next, set the cutting force or pressure. I have tested that the default pressure is already suitable for the material I used, so I'm leaving the pressure as is.
The next step will be to load the mat into the machine. So we'll just prepare our light grip mat. Once the inks are dry, we can place the sticker sheet on top of the light grip mat. Now this is how I placed the sticker paper on the light grip mat. I make sure that I have the longer side of the mat in front of me, like directly in front of me. So I want to align the longest side first. I just think that there's less error there once you got the longer side properly aligned. And when you're confident about the alignment, you can just let it down. I think it's not perfect, but it's close. Now it's time for us to put the laminate sheet on the top. So peel this cut out. I align the bottom part first. Just really wanted to get a good alignment, without moving it a lot. So as much as possible, we are aligned. And then I'm just going to make sure there's no bubble at the very top. Flip the laminate upward like so. And as you can see, there's an arrow here. That means we have to pull that away. Peel that up a little bit at a time. While as you can see, I have my card over here. So I'm just going to push it while moving it like that. And then as I'm pulling this, as you can see, I am sliding the card while I am pulling the backing slowly. I hurried at the end, that's why I got bubbles. So I should have just really taken it slowly. But that's all right, part of the process of learning. So this is good enough for me. So the next step will be to load our light grip mat onto our Cricut Joy Xtra machine. There you go. Okay. So the Cricut Joy Xtra is going to give us a cue if we're ready to move on to the next stage. Just want to show you we are already at the stage 3 of the process, and let's click go. Alright, so the machine is preparing. That sounds alright. Now, let the machine work its magic. So it's individually cutting each Astrobot design. Alright, so now it's going to cut the border. Perfect. Good. Now it's time to test. Going back to our Cricut Design Space, it's giving us a cue to unload the light grip mat. So let's just do that. So the mat is free. You can see here that everything is cut perfectly and right at the outlines of the offset that we've designed it to. Let's test this Astrobot with the cow, if it's going to be lifted. Alright, can you see that? Okay, I'm just going to see. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, that's good. That's so satisfying. Okay, so it actually cut through the border. and it's only cut it through the two materials, the sticker paper and the laminate sheet, but the backing is still pretty much intact, so we must pull everything out by holding our mat a little bit at a time. The last stage is to cut the sticker paper to size and removing all of those extra material with the alignment guide. So this is what I use for cutting papers to size. So you see you have loaded it. And start cutting. And here is our sticker. What do you think? Let me know in the description below what is your favorite game character, and would you like to try and create your own stickers about them. Now it's time for the final test.
For you.
Thank you.
My daughter is a big Astrobot fanatic. Watch her face glows as she finds out my Valentine's gift for her this year.
It's Astrobot sticker.
Yay! I made that for you. How do you like it?
I loved it.
What are those?
Yes, I think I deserve the Mom of the Year award. Thanks for watching. I really appreciate you checking out my channel, and I'll see you next time. La 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 la. Cool.